Hello, and welcome to our video. Today, we'll be discussing the essential steps you need to take during an emergency situation to provide immediate assistance before professional help arrives. Remember, having basic first aid knowledge can make a significant difference in saving lives. Let's get started. 1. Assess the situation. Cut to a scenario where someone has fallen and appears unconscious. The first step is to assess the situation carefully. Ensure the area is safe for you and others before approaching the person in need. 2. Check for responsiveness. Host approaches the person on the floor. Next, gently tap the person and shout, "Are you okay?" to check for responsiveness. 3. Call for help. Host takes out a phone and dials emergency services. If the person is unresponsive or appears to be seriously injured, call for help immediately. Dial the local emergency number and provide the necessary information about the situation. 4. Open the airway. Host demonstrates the head tilt chin lift maneuver. Host, while waiting for help to arrive, open the person's airway by using the head tilt chin lift technique. This will ensure they can breathe properly. 5. Check for breathing. Host places an ear over the person's mouth and nose. Listen and feel for breathing for about 10 seconds. If they're not breathing or only gasping, begin CPR immediately. 6. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. Host demonstrates chest compressions and rescue breaths. Host, CPR is a life-saving technique that can maintain blood flow and oxygenation. Administer chest compressions and rescue breaths until professional help arrives. 7. Control bleeding. Host shows how to apply pressure on a wound using a bandage. In case of bleeding, apply direct pressure using a clean cloth or bandage. Elevate the injured limb if possible and maintain pressure until bleeding stops. 8. Treating burns. Host runs cool water over a simulated burn. For minor burns, cool the affected area with cold running water for at least 10 minutes. Avoid applying ice directly to the burn. 9. Splinting fractures and sprains. Host demonstrates how to immobilize an injured limb. If you suspect a fracture or sprain, immobilize the injured limb using a splint or any rigid object before transporting the person to a hospital. Remember, first aid is about taking quick action, staying calm, and doing what you can to help until professional medical help arrives. Taking a first aid course can provide you with more in-depth knowledge and practice. Thank you for watching, and stay prepared. Closing shot of first aid supplies and emergency contact numbers. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not replace professional medical advice or training. Always seek help from medical professionals in emergencies.